Alright, so in box 3 we're going to graph our first equation. So let's try y. Oops, fix that. Y equals 1/2 x plus 2. That's an x right here. It doesn't look like one, but that's supposed to be an x. So y equals 1/2 x plus 2. So the first thing we should always do is write down what our slope is and what our y-intercept is. So our slope, our m, our slope, it's always a number in front of the x, so it's 1/2. And our y-intercept is always the other number by itself, so the y-intercept for this one is 2. So when you graph this, you always start with the y-intercept, the 2 right here. And you make a mark from the y-intercept on the y line. So I'm going to make a dot right here on 2. Now I'm going to look at the slope. So it's a positive slope, so I'm going to use this diagram. What this means is you can start here, and remember it's the rise on top and the run on the bottom. So we start here, and we're going to rise 1, and run 2, and that's where I'm going to make my dot. And I'm just going to keep making more dots. Rise 1, run 2, and you can make another dot. If you look at your diagram, you can always go down to the left, so I'm going to also go down 1 and over 2. Make a dot here, and I can make as many dots as I want. So I'm going to go down 1, over 2 again, make another dot here. From here, you make a line through all the dots and make arrows at the end to show that this line keeps going. So copy that down in box 3 and rewind if you need to.